Welcome to Trimble Earthworks Task Tutorial.
Task. Select the correct focus point for proper application. This is a machine on design. The red cone icon is the focus point. This is not to be confused with the vertical guidance point, which is indicated by the green cylinder. The focus point tells you where you are benching the machine in relation to the point being focused on the left tip or right tip, and it sets the horizontal guidance point. The focus point also indicates the position of the northing, easting, and elevation. If you tap the focus point icon, you will notice the northing and easting will change to reflect either your right or left tip's positioning. You can also change the focus point by going through the Work Settings screen or by touch and holding the focus point icon until the attachment screen appears. The form field next to Focus indicates the current focus point on the attachment. To change the focus point, touch the down arrow to bring up the focus selections. Then touch Select. Now the machine will be changed to depth and slope mode to discuss focus point in reference to benching the machine. The machine has now been changed into a 2D mode, or depth and slope setup, and the machine must be benched at this level height. When you tap the bench icon, the machine is benched at the focus point because only one part of the attachment is needed to record the height. You have just successfully selected the correct focus point for proper application.